Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about Axie Infinity investment and whether it's worth your time and money to get into investing in Axie Infinity. So I put together a little spreadsheet with some assumptions here. You can see I've got the Axie team purchase price at $1,250. I think that's a reasonable price right now to get a good team. You can obviously get teams for less than that or more than that, but I think that that's a good price for a good team that's going to get good returns, but isn't a crazy price and isn't going to be hard to actually play in the arena with. So SLP price I have here at 20 cents. That's what it was a month ago. Let's update it here and say, today it's only at 10 cents. Then we've got Scholar SLP percentage, average daily Scholar SLP at 150. I took an analysis of my scholars. I've got 13 scholars now, and over the last couple weeks, they were averaging 156 between the 13 of them. Some of them are earning more than that, some earning less, but 156 SLP was what they were earning. So if you get good scholars that are gamers, know what they're doing, good with strategic games, and you buy them a good team, then I think 150 SLP a day is pretty reasonable. So they can earn 6 to 9, even 15 SLP per win in arena, and then they can get their 25 from the daily challenge and 50 in the adventure mode. And those are kind of guaranteed. So you have the 75 SLP that's guaranteed, and if they can average at least another 75, then you're going to be doing pretty well. So Scholar SLP percentage, 50%. Some guilds pay more than this, some pay less. I pay some of my scholars more than this. I wouldn't go below 50%. I don't think that's really fair to the scholars, but you can decide if you want to go more or less than that. Again, I wouldn't recommend going less. And then the manager SLP profit just calculates off of whatever you put in here. So let's say all of these assumptions are correct, and let's say you decide on an initial investment of $5,000. So that would be 4 teams at this price. So this blue line then you can see is going to give you what this investment would return. So daily you're going to get $30 a day at 10 cents, $210 a week, $900 a month, and $10,800 annually. So that's 167 days to return your investment, or 5.6 months. So is that a good investment? That's up to you. There's obviously still risks involved in making this type of an investment. SLP could go down, but it could go up. Last month it was, or a month and a half ago, it was at 20 cents. So if we went back up to 20 cents, that's going to cut your days and months to return in half and double what you're making. So with the recent drop in SLP price, I think you've seen the Axie market also go down, so it's less expensive to get a good team. This same team would have cost maybe $1,500 or $1,800 a month ago at a minimum. So if you've got 10 cents now with a less expensive team than you would have made over time, I think that the SLP price is going to rise, especially as some of the new features come out for version 2 gameplay and land gameplay, and then also the Ronin decks and a lot of other features that are going to pull people into the game and make them excited. So just for fun, let's put this back to 50,000. Let's say you wanted to make a heavier investment, put 50,000 in, you could get 40 teams. You got to think about how those teams are going to be managed. This becomes more of an effort to manage 40 teams instead of 4. So you might have to pay someone else to manage it, or you could do it yourself. But daily then you're making $300 a day, monthly $9,000, annually $108,000. So, for a lot of people that could replace a pretty significant 6-figure job here, and you're still getting a return in 6 months on your initial investment. And remember that these NFTs you're purchasing to play the game have value. So they have a liquidation value. If you got into it, you played for 6 months or managed a group for 6 months, got essentially all of your returned all of your money, you could still then sell the Axies for whatever the value is at the time. And that value is going to fluctuate up or down, but there's still a value there. So it's not just the cash flow that you're getting in this investment. So let's say you play yourself and you just buy one team. Some people watching might not want to be a manager or manage scholars. They just want to play themselves. At the current price, you're looking at $15 a day or $5,400 annually, so $450 a month. So, for somebody who is interested in the game, interested in strategic games, if you have 2 to maybe 4 hours on the really long end in the beginning as you're understanding the game to play, then you could earn a little bit of money extra and have a good time on the side, and it's going to be 2.8 months to return your initial investment. So if you have a little bit of cash sitting on the side, you're looking to get in, you could take 100% of everything you're earning initially, and then maybe you can start hiring scholars. And it seems like a lot of people in the community have been doing that. So hopefully this was helpful, a good analysis for you, kind of shows you the monetary side of Axie and help you make a good decision as to whether to get in right now. Again, I think the market is a little bit down and likely going to improve these numbers as time goes on. But I'm not an advisor, not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so make your own decisions. This is just a tool and a video to help you kind of think through some of the numbers side of things. So anyway, if you like the video, please hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, like the video, drop a comment, and let me know what other types of content you'd like to see related to Axie or blockchain, crypto, NFT gaming. Thanks.